Now we have restarted the system, and if you open the Windows Store, you can see it here. The WSL system is installed, and you can open it from here also. So just for example, if you click on this, let us see what happens. Okay, so you can see it is now installed and ready to work. So I think what we do is we try to run this from command prompt or what. Let us see, or we go along with the PowerShell only. So let us try to no installed. Okay, so I think why it is showing no installed. It is installed, then why it is not opening up? Okay, so now what has been done is that we have to close this PowerShell, and you can see Ubuntu is getting installing now, and now we can create our username. So I will create the username. So this is going according to the guide given here. So instead of PowerShell, it is opening the command prompt. So from command prompt, we'll have to create our username and password. So first it updated itself, and then it asks us to create a Unix user. So I will create the user, and you have to give the password. So I will keep my password same as it is there in the virtual machine. So it will be easy for me to remember. So the password has been updated, and now we can work on our Ubuntu Linux distribution that is installed in the WSL. So here you can see the version of the Ubuntu is 22.04.1 LTS. This is the latest one, and this image is for the WSL. You can see the image is there, and documentation, management, and support is given. This message is shown once a day. To disable it, please create the home SAM first login file. So every time you do login, this will be shown. I think only at least once it will be shown. See man sudo root. So there are manual for the sudo root. So to run command as an administrator, you have to use. So I will take a screenshot of this. It is important. Use root. So you have to use sudo command, or you can directly log in as a root and then uh, proceed with your commands. So that's it. Now what to do? Let's now check out how to go ahead. So let us try to check out the different okay, so I think we are already logged in into the Ubuntu WSL. So first we'll have to update the Ubuntu Linux distribution. For that you have to use the sudo apt update. Let us see what happens. You have to input your password. So that's it. The uh, repos are being synced, and there will be of course some updates always, because the images may not be the latest one. So there of course there are some updates 25.9 MB in size. So for that you have to use the upgrade command, or you can use the apt list dash upgradable. So these are all the updates that can be upgraded. You can see it here. So now we will upgrade the system. So it will be all squeaky new. So this is all same. This output is similar what we see in any Linux distribution. So we are successful with the installation of Ubuntu Linux distribution in WSL, Windows WSL. So in the next video, we will proceed with the installation of the Podman. So once the update is completed, I will stop the video here. So that's it. I will stop the video here now.